Let's read a story. This story is called Rain, written by Robert, illustrated by Donald. Let's open Rain. This book is dedicated with love to my parents and to mine. Let's turn the page. Blue sky. Turn the page. Yellow sun. Here is yellow sun. Let's match. White clouds. Here are white clouds. Let's match. Right here. Okay, let's turn the page. Gray clouds. Look, the sun is behind the gray clouds. No sun, it's just the gray clouds. Here are the gray clouds. Let's match. Right here. Okay, turn the page. Gray sky. Rain. Look, all the rain. And the raindrops say rain. Rain, rain, rain. Here's the rain. Let's match. Turn the page. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. Rain, rain. Rain on the green grass. Here's our grass. Match. And here's our black road. Let's match. Okay, we'll turn the page. Rain on the red car. Here is red car. Rain on the orange flowers. Here are the orange flowers. Let's match. Okay, turn the page. Rain on the brown fence. Rain on the purple flowers. Let's match. Here's brown fence. And here are the purple flowers. Okay, let's turn the page. Rain on the White House. Here's the White House. Rain on the green trees. Here are the green trees. Let's match. Here's White House. And here are green trees. Okay, turn the page. Rain, rain. Look, so much rain. It turns into a rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We have our sun, our orange flowers, our purple flowers, our brown fence, our black road, our green grass, our white house, our red car, our green trees, and our rainbow. The end. We did it. We finished. Thanks for reading with me.